watch her tomorrow come to school.
Okay, Lindsay, breathe, Lindsay. Breathe. Oh my God.
No, she's trying to do it.
I know.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Let's just put this video on until she stops talking.
Seriously, I would be trying to. I did.
She didn't stop talking. Talk to me. Tell me about your love life. How's Clayton?
My mom is right over there.
You know he takes karate.
It's not funny.
Are you the top guy here? Hi, Glenn. Hi. I think everybody.
She's hyper.
Look, she stopped. She stopped. She's here.
Oh.
Okay, if you be quiet, she's gonna stop.
You're like a big splash in the background. I'm so sick, I could just. Don't make her laugh.
Okay, wait, quiet.
Hey, what if you're like a big splash in the background?
Jenna. I'm getting a call. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I wouldn't see.
Hi. We're going home like now. Alright, bye.
Did you finish your pipe here?
Ew. No.
Lindsay, talk. Don't let her talk. Just let her go. No, when she talks, she stops.
Ew.
Lindsay, try to talk to me.
I'm so sick.
See,
I
you
can't.
don't talk. You don't talk.
Ew. Lindsay, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth.
You like go over there.